Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I soaked up this beautiful set that I did last night on TikTok Live. I start out with some hot water under my soak off bowl. It helps the acetone work a bit faster. And then I'll go ahead and fill the holes with the acetone and let it sit to the side while I prep the nails to be soaked off. And I go ahead and I use my Yoka dust collector. Y'all, this is the most quiet dust collector I've ever had in my life. They sent me this dust collector and I'm literally in love with it now. But I start out by filing down the acrylic as thin as possible. You want to dial it as thin as possible because that's less time you're going to be sitting when it's thin, and especially if you're doing this on a client, you want it to be as thin as possible because it'll take away from the time that you have to do the set if you're doing a soak off plus a full set. Get all the dust off, and then as you can see how thin this is literally not going to take no time to soak off. And then I clean my dust collector and go ahead and begin soaking it off, y'all. I like to put cuticle oil around my cuticles because, as y'all know, acetone dries your skin out so bad, and it makes it really cold while it's sitting inside of the acetone. So I put cuticle oil, and as y'all can see, there's no dryness on my skin. And this is how your acrylic should look when you do a soak off. It should be flaky. It should not be sticky and stringy. That is MMA, and you do not want that. So this is literally how the acrylic should look, and it just falls right off the bone, y'all, and you have no problem. And then sometimes you do have a little residue still on your nail. You just go back in with your file and your drill, or your file, however you want to do it. I go back in with my drill and I drill it down a little bit more and I re-soak it, and that usually does the trick. Here y'all can see the residue coming right off after my second soak, and there's nothing left after this. And after this, I like to go in with my skinny 180 grit bit and just go over my nail and even everything out, get anything else off, and then give myself a good base for my next set. This is actually my favorite step because it just brings everything together. It's so cute and looks like so healthy. Once I'm done with my drill, I go in with my 180 grit hand file and just go over the free edge and make sure there's no snags and, you know, hanging nails or anything like that. Make sure it's all smooth. And that is literally it, y'all. That is a healthy soak off. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.